Hello guys and welcome back to Tech Tutorial. In today's video, we will be showing you how to get hosting and domain for WordPress for free. Now, we will be showing you in today's video the process on how you will be able to get your own domain that you could use for your WordPress websites absolutely for free using this platform called Infinity Free. Now, if you don't believe me, you can simply search Infinity Free over here in the search bar. Infinity Free, and we could look into the different information that they offer and show you guys why they are a free hosting. As you can see on their homepage, they are already claiming that they are a free website hosting. Now you might think, why is there a free website hosting? Usually if you want a specific domain, you would need to pay for it to be able to use it, and in this platform you will be able to use it absolutely for free. As you can see, there's free hosting, 99.9 uptime, unlimited hosting is completely free. There's no ads on your website. You can host any domain that you want. There's a lot of free subdomains, and as you can see here, it has a lot of features that will go along with it, such as 5 GB space, PHP 8.2, free subdomain names, 400 SQL database, free SSL certificates, which is very important with the security of your website. As you can see, if you look through here on the top left of our URL, you have this icon over here that says your connection is secure or your website itself is secure. Without an SSL certificate, your website will be flagged as unsecure or unsecure. So that is something you would need to use or have so that people will think your platform is safe. There's also unlimited bandwidth, a high SQL version. You could also use your own domain and free DNS service and full HTTP access support. There's a lot of different things that you will be able to do with Infinity Free, and let's show you guys how you will be able to use it for your WordPress website. So let's click on create an account over here to get started. Over here, of course, we want to use the free version. There are things that we won't be able to use, of course, but the fact that we have a free version, we will be able to create or choose our domains with a free version is already a big thing. But of course, if you want to upgrade, that is something you will be able to do as well. Over here, you could choose between custom domain and subdomain over here. So let's say ours is Coffee World. That's something I would go with. Then we could choose our domain extension over here. These are the different options. Of course, we can't be choosy with the options. As you can see, since it's free, we can't go with options such as .com that you would usually see in different platforms. Like for example, let's see some GoDaddy platforms over here. If we search for the same name, Coffee World, we might get better domains or like better presentable domains with our search over here, like this one. Coffeeworld.ai, coffeeworld.live, coffeeworld.com.co. But as you can see, they're all very expensive. You would need to pay a hefty amount to be able to use such domain. So we will be able to use it the same, but this time we will be under a subdomain, meaning we are going to be under a main domain, and the domain that we will be using is a subdomain. So simply click on check availability to ensure that the platform or the website domain that you are trying to get is absolutely available, and there we go. So we have our password over here. We can also add email consent over here. Let's just click on create account. Email consent is gone. Let's go with approve. Let's copy our account password, create account. Then we will proceed to next step. Now over here, our account has been created. Simply click on open control panel, which will redirect us to another page. You can see, simply click on I approve, and it will load our panel over here. There we go. Now basically, this is the section where you will be able to manage all information about your websites. You can see statistics over here on the right side. As you can see, you have your main domain, different information that typically would be very important for your website. So over here, what we're going to do is we're going to start with creating our website. So simply click on edit website. which will redirect us over here. As you can see, we have our website over here. So what we should be able to do is to create our account. But as you can see here, there are still setting up our account, so you're going to have to wait for a few seconds or a few minutes to get it started. There we go. Create website. Then we will be redirected. There's a lot of different goals over here that you can check out. As you can see, there's files related, database related, domains related, email related, security related. You want to block someone's IP, you could do that. You have your site builder over here, advanced. It might be very confusing for other people's out there because in WordPress, it's not as complicated as that. But as you can see, this is our website builder over here. So we can click on blank template. Get started. As you can see, loading. And this is our website builder over here. Now, we will be able to build our website or have our own website inside of WordPress as well. That is something that is available. Click on site builders. That's something over here. You can explore the different features or the different sections available in your Infinity Free. It might be confusing for beginners because, of course, there's a lot of information. There's free SSL certificates over here. This is where you will be able to manage it. Click on plus new SSL certificate and then put your domain name over here that you have just gotten. And basically build your website the typical way that you would use it. And you can simply easily publish it, as you can see. Then you could use your URL link, which is the one that we have provided over here, as you can see. Now you could use this for any platform or any website you have. And unfortunately, you can't open and attach your WordPress website separately from this platform. You have to open your WordPress website into or inside of this Infinity Free over here. So you're going to have to look for the section where it will allow you to open your WordPress over here. It's going to have to start from scratch. So if you already have an existing platform or existing website that you have made in an outside WordPress, I would suggest that you will have to redo it inside of our platform over here, because their section will only work if you do the work inside of their platform, which is in Infinity Free. So aside from that, there can be a lot of concerns or a lot of confusion on how their platform works, but there is a guide like support inside of Infinity Free, and you will be able to ask for some help if you are having some issues, if there are different information that you are missing. But anyway, that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.